Hello, this is Mariel Francesca Reyes, and this is my final requirement for MMS 144. To start, from the first assignment, I have identified 3 examples for database systems, which is emails, online shops, and phone calendar. Phone calendar is the one that I will be using today as my database example. This is the entity relationship diagram for the personal calendar for the phone calendar. This is my database in my SQL. To make this video short, I already plugged in all the queries that I needed. So to create a database, you can use create database and then the name of the database, and then you can use the use function to use a database because there are already databases. So to select, use the use function and the name of the database. To create a table, you can use the create table, then the table name, and then enter all the possible columns. And then to insert a data, you can use insert into and then the name of the table and then the parameters. For this example, ID, day, month, year, and then the values. Then enter. To show that it is in the database, you can use select with an asterisk to select all the possible columns in the table. Then from, then the name of the table, which is calendar date. So this is to update a table from the database. You can use the update function where you can set, for example, the events, update the table events, then set the event name to proctored exam from before it is called finals. Then you can set it where in the 4th row, then press enter, then you can see that it is you can 4th row, then here it is changed. I'm sorry, the day of valor is changed to proctored exam. Sorry. Then you can delete from a table using delete from, then the table name where when it is null, so all the possible null values in the start column is deleted. So it is shown here. There are no null values present now because it's deleted. So to select specifically for one column, you can use select, then the name of the column, then from the column, from the calendar dates, which is the name of the table, and then you can see that it is selected. So to end it, phone calendars are implemented, or the database is implemented in phone calendars. From my research is from the use of mobile computing device present in phones. It can store all the possible information from list of contacts, distance traveled, or also the calendar information. So yeah, bye.